Greetings my fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel. It's been some time since the last Technic build I showed you, and so I thought, yeah, let's make another Technic set. And the set I chose is a rather new one, the Heavy Duty Forklift, set number 42079. I think it's a rather cool set. Forklifts are always funny. It got nice big wheels. I also love the color scheme. Yellow for working equipment is always great, and dark blue suits pretty nice. And what's from today's point of view really special about this set is it got a B model. Yeah! A second build, LEGO delivers directly free to you home, so you can just build this or that, and afterwards this, whatever you want. Yeah, that's nice. With the newer sets, I think only the small ones like the little cars or the buggy have a second build, and I think the catamaran also, but all the somewhat bigger sets nowadays don't get a second build anymore, so but they just want you to be creative. That's the reason, I'm pretty sure. LEGO has less work to do, and we are happy because they think we are creative enough to do something else with the sets. Awesome! So, and now without any more useless talking, I'll simply get into this box and we'll see how many bags are in there, and yeah, then we'll continue from there. So let's have a look inside. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the box. We get 6 bags with pieces, one with the really big ones and some with the medium ones, and also some for the small stuff. And here we have the awesome wheels. Those are nice. Really cool wheels for this set. Yeah, always great to get good wheels. And yeah, of course, a nice sticker sheet. Yeah, more stickers! Woohoo! But beside nagging about the stickers, there's something I would call pure luxury in this set, because here's the instruction booklet. Well, you could nearly call it a book, and that's not everything. Ta-da! A printed instruction book for the B model. Haven't seen that in a while, I think. Or was it with the small ones? Don't know. But on the internet everybody is going crazy because yeah, the B model only is a PDF from the LEGO server, and when the set comes out it's not ready there. But yeah, with this set we get double the paperwork. Whoa, pure luxury. So, but to be honest, I won't need any of those two. Because this time I'm going digital. I got a little tablet here with the digital instructions for the forklift, as it saves some space to have the tablet standing in front of you, and you get more free space to lay out the pieces. And I think that's something I'll do more frequently now, except for the small sets. But as soon as it gets a bit bigger, I'll change to the digital version. But awesome! So, and now let's open the bags, put everything out, and then we're ready to start the build. Yay! Wow, this ain't one of the biggest sets they got in the Technic theme, but nonetheless a huge amount of pieces. So yeah, my room for working on the set is pretty minimal, as ever so often. And yeah, the bigger pieces are laid out, then 2 small heaps, and the 3 bags with mainly pins. I'll just leave them in the bags and pull them out as needed. And yeah, otherwise everything would roll off the table, and yeah, that's no fun at all. So I think I'll start the build. Anything special? Don't know what you're interested in, but those dark blue panels are really pretty. An awesome color. Cute little steering wheel. So, anything special? Not that I'd see it right now. So, I think I'll simply start building now. Okay, so I'll turn on the tablet, get the instructions, and yeah, let's start the party. Yeah, and here it is, our finished Heavy Duty Forklift. A really nice set, nice to build, and yeah, you should always take a good look at the instructions. For example, those pieces here are the light bluish grey ones. It's not too funny if you put the dark bluish grey ones here with the sticker on and have to remove the sticker and put it on the right ones. Well, it works, but it's not really funny. But everything else, somewhere at the fenders I also messed it up, but yeah, a nice build. Got everything you need. Steering. Well, as always for Lego sets, a bit of a large radius, especially for a forklift. They can turn in a really small space usually, but yeah, it's a nice function here. Then when you turn the beacon, the fork can be lowered or raised. Well, this takes quite some time. Would be something for motorization. But yeah, it goes up rather high, as you can see. So, yep, and now we're finished. So, yeah, that's rather good for a somewhat simple set. The translation with the cord is also great. You lift this crane boom, and via the cord the fork lifts at double the rate from the inner structure. So yeah, that's a really awesome technique. Then what else do we have? Yeah, of course, the running motor. Don't know if you can see it right now. Ah, wrong wheels, sorry. So, and the cylinders are running. It's really nice. And of course, when the fork is completely down, you also have to tilt it a bit forward so you can take the load, and that's with this lever, and it works from both sides. That's really nice. And yeah, anything else? We got the steering, we got the fork, we got the tilting, and we got the motor. Yep, that's it so far for the functions. Now we also got this little pellet with some dangerous load, and of course we can now try to lift it. So first of all, we lower the fork, then we can try, yeah, somewhat. So take it up, and up we go. Now we can bring it to where it should be. Yeah, that thing is rather a ridiculous add-on to a heavy duty forklift. This thing looks rather massive, and then you got a single barrel. There could be something way heavier on, I guess, and that's what I'll try now. Let's see what the lift can take. Let's try it with the knife. Tilt it back and lift it up. Yeah, you can feel it goes a bit harder, but he can do it. So yeah, it is a heavy duty forklift. Yeah, and what else do we have? Yeah, get a little bit of extra parts and even an extra rope. That's really cool. So yeah, I would say that's it for this really nice set, and that's it already for this video. If you want to see the B model of this set, the little tow truck. Stay tuned, stay on this channel, it will be coming, so best would be you subscribe, and if you want to know when the video is up, simply hit the bell button, the little ring will tell you, whoo, new video, and well, that's it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.